This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by heating a large, heavy pan and adding a thin film of oil. Brown the meat in batches so it sears instead of steams. Once you have a deep fond, add the diced sofrito, onion, carrot, celery, and cook until translucent. This builds sweetness. Then pour 1/2 cup white wine to deglaze and scrape up those brown bits. This is crucial for flavor. Make sure to reduce wine almost completely before moving on to milk, which tames tomato acidity. Once done with milk reduction, stir in a concentrated spoon of tomato paste, then add crushed tomatoes. This layered approach gives body and complex sweetness. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then lower heat. Simmering slowly for 2 to 3 hours concentrates flavors and breaks down collagen in the meat. Make sure to stir periodically and add small amounts of stock if it thickens too fast. Skim rising fat to keep clarity. Taste and season gradually to achieve. You finish by tossing pasta directly into the simmering ragu with a ladle of reserved pasta water. This binds starch to sauce and creates a glossy coat. Once done, taste again for salt and a final drizzle of good olive oil to round flavors. If the sauce is too thin, simmer uncovered to reduce. If too thick or salty, loosen with hot water or stock and a squeeze of lemon to brighten. Serve immediately and garnish sparingly with grated cheese.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.